Hello viewers, welcome back to YouTube channel Study by Home Sujan. In this video, I am sharing with you MCQ of Management Principle and Application for Mcom Entrance under Guwahati University. So let's start without wasting your time.
Question number 1. Management is what? A. Option A. Manager does. Option B. Customer does. Answer is manager does. Question number 2. Management is a science as well as option A. Arts. Option B. Commerce. Answer is arts. Question number 3. Management is a option A. Group activity. Option B. Individual activity. Answer is group activity. Question number 4. Supervision involves overseeing the work of a subordinate by the option A. Superior. Option B. Subordinates. Answer is superiors. Question number 5. Father of scientific management theory is option A. Frederick Winslow Taylor. Option B. Henry Fayol. Answer is Frederick Winslow Taylor. Question number 6. Setting standard for different factors after due deliberation is option A. Standardization. Option B. Simplification. Answer is standardization. Question number 7. The movie camera is used to conduct the study is option A. Motion study. Option B. Time study. Answer is motion study. Question number 8. Determination of duration and frequency of rest intervals to complete a particular job where rest refreshes the worker is option A. Fatigue study. Option B. Motion study. Answer is fatigue study. Question number 9. Process chart and operation research techniques are need to identify the most suitable way to do a particular activity is option A. Method study. Option B. Motion study. Answer is method study. Question number 10. Ensuring that all the workers are performing their job at the required speed. It is a function of option A. Speed boss. Option B. Repair boss. Answer is speed boss. Question number 11. The administrative management theory is given by option A. Henry Fayol. Option B. Frederick Winslow Taylor. Answer is Henry Fayol. Question number 12. Concentration of decision-making authority at the top management is option A. Centralization. Option B. Decentralization. Answer is centralization. Question number 13. Striving for the involvement and unity of the employee is option A. Aspirate they crops. Option B. Unity of command. Answer is aspirate they crops. Question number 14. His principles are applicable universally. He is option A. Henry Fayol. Option B. Frederick Winslow Taylor. Answer is Henry Fayol. Question number 15. Who propound human relation theory? Option A. Elton Mayo. Option B. Robert Black. Answer is Elton Mayo. Question number 16. Study the impact of illumination and other working conditions on the productivity of the workers. It is the basic idea of option A. Human relations theory. Option B. Behavioral science theory. Answer is human relations theory. Question number 17. It emphasized on individual behavior is option A. Human relations theory. Option B. Behavioral science theory. Answer is human relations theory. Number 18. Behavioral science theory viewed worker as option A. Self-actualizing man. Option B. Social man. Answer is self-actualizing man. Question number 19. The approach is based on the idea that everything is interrelated and interdependent is option A. System approach. Option B. Contingency approach. Answer is system approach. Question number 20. Contingency approach is the extension of option A. System approach. Option B. Human relation theory. Answer is system approach. Question number 21. Management by objective were advocated by option A. Peter F. Drucker. Option B. Michael Porter. Answer is Peter F. Drucker. Question number 22. Who suggested cost leadership strategy? Option A. Michael Porter. Option B. Peter F. Drucker. Answer is Michael Porter. Question number 23. BPR stands for option A. Business process reengineering. Option B. Business process redesigning. Answer is business process reengineering. Question number 24. The BPR approach provide an immediate solution. Option A. Does. Option B. Does not. Answer is does not. Question number 25. Who established the bottom-up pyramid theory? Option A. CK Prahalad. Option B. Peter F. Drucker. Answer is CK Prahalad. Question number 26. Lawrence belongs to which of the following school of management? Option A. Modern management. Option B. Human resource. Answer is modern management. Number 27. The continuous line of authority that extends from the upper level management to the lowest level of the organization is called option A. Chain of command. Option B. Unity of command. Answer is chain of command. Number 28. According to CK Prahalad, the market is full of opportunities at option A. Bottom of the pyramid. Option B. Top of the pyramid. Answer is bottom of the pyramid. Question number 29. Getting the works done in minimum of efforts, work and expense is called option A. Efficiency. Option B. Effectiveness. Answer is efficiency. Question number 30. The sum total of individual part is less than that of whole is option A. Synergy effect. Option B. Motivation effect. Answer is synergy effect. Question number 31. He distinguished between adaptive learning and generative learning is option A. Peter Change. Option B. CK Prahalad. Answer is Peter Change. Question number 32. Who introduced the concept of learning organization? Option A. Peter Change. Option B. CK Prahalad. Answer is Peter Change. Question number 33. The organization that has developed the capacity to continuously learn, adapt and change is called option A. Learning organization. Option B. Bureaucratic organization. Answer is learning organization. Question number 34. Who supported the theory of contingency in organizational dealings? Option A. Max Weber. Option B. Lords and Lawrence. Answer is Lords and Lawrence. Question number 35. It is a comprehensive system based upon set of objectives in which all members participate in. Option A. Management by objective. Option B. System approach. Answer is management by objective. Question number 36. The plan is one that a manager uses to accomplish his or her job responsibility is. Option A. Operational plan. Option B. Tactical plan. Answer is operational plan. Question number 37. Operational plans are. Option A. Short-term plan. Option B. Long-term plan. Answer is short-term plan. Question number 38. Single-use plans includes. Option A. Budgets. Option B. Rules. Answer is budget. Question number 39. Which are relatively flexible? Option A. Policy. Option B. Rule. Answer is policy. Question number 40. EPS stands for. Option A. Earnings per share. Option B. Earnings per shareholder. Answer is earnings per share. Question number 41. SWOT stands for strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats. Option A. True. Option B. False. Answer is true. Question number 42. PESTLE is an analytical tool which helps to undertake a. Option A. Strategic analysis. Option B. Competitor analysis. Answer is strategic analysis. Question number 43. Environmental analysis is a. Option A. Strategic tool. Option B. Business tool. Answer is strategic tool. Question number 44. Regulatory environment is also known as. Option A. Political or legal environment. Option B. Social environment. Answer is political or legal environment. Question number 45. Delphi technique is a decision making process of. Option A. Group. Option B. Individual. Answer is group. Question number 46. Brainstorming is usually relatively. Option A. Unstructured. Option B. Nominal group technique. Answer is unstructured. Question number 47. A situation faced when individuals collectively make a choice from the alternative before them is. Option A. Group decision making. Option B. Committee decision making. Answer is group decision making. Question number 48. Bounded rationality in decision making was developed by. Option A. Herbert Simon. Option B. Abraham Maslow. Answer is Herbert Simon. Question number 49. Making decisions on the basis of experience, feelings and accumulated judgment is called. Option A. Intuitive decision making. Option B. Committee decision making. Answer is intuitive decision making. Number 50. The number of people manager directly manage is called as span of management. Option A. True. Option B. False. Answer is true. Question number 51. In hospital, the following type of representation is common by. Option A. Function. Option B. Committee. Answer is function. Question number 52. Functional structure is suitable when size of the organization is. Option A. Large. Option B. Small. Answer is large. Question number 53. Organization structure defines. Option A. Grouping. Option B. Individualism. Answer is grouping. Question number 54. Altering the method in which a manager think of how a work should be done is called. Option A. Re-engineering. Option B. Redesigning. Answer is re-engineering. Question number 55. Which of the following is the oldest type of organization? Option A. Line organization. Option B. Functional organization. Answer is line organization. Question number 56. Department can be created by. Option A. Function. Option B. Product. Answer is function. Question number 57. It is effective only in big organization. Option A. Decentralization. Option B. Centralization. Answer is decentralization. Question number 58. Flow of communication is open and free in. Option A. Decentralization. Option B. Centralization. Answer is decentralization. Question number 59. Responsibility flows. Option A. Upwards. Option B. Downwards. Answer is upwards. Question number 60. In CPM only. Option A. One-time estimate is prepared. Option B. Two-time estimate is prepared. Answer is one-time estimate is prepared. Question number 61. A broad statement of purpose, duties and responsibilities of a job or position is. Option A. Job description. Option B. Job specification. Answer is job description. Question number 62. Careful study of each job to determine task and responsibility involved in a job is. Option A. Job analysis. Option B. Multiplier effect. Answer is job analysis. Question number 63. Defining the knowledge, skills and abilities that are required to perform a job in an organization is. Option A. Job specification. Option B. Job description. Answer is job specification. Question number 64. Recruitment is the. Option A. Positive process. Option B. Negative process. Answer is positive process. Question number 65. It is the first stage in the process which continues with selection and ceases with the placement of candidate is. Option A. Recruitment. Option B. Selection. Answer is recruitment. Question number 66. Transfer and promotion include recruitment of. Option A. Internal sources. Option B. External sources. Answer is internal sources. Question number 67. Advertisement is an example of recruitment of. Option A. External sources. Option B. Internal sources. Answer is external sources. Question number 68. Keeping or maintaining the employees in an organization by keeping them happy and engaged is. Option A. Retention. Option B. Placement. Answer is retention.
Question number 69. The act of increasing the skills of an employee for doing a particular job is option A, training, option B, development. Answer is training. Number 70. The employee occupying the position or post for which person has been selected is option A, placement, option B, orientation. Answer is placement. Question number 71. When the employees are given promotion, they are option A, motivation level improves, option B, loyalty increases, option C, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question number 72. The process of selecting the right candidate from the pool of applicants is option A, selection, option B, recruitment. Answer is selection. Question number 73. The process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goal is option A, motivation, option B, leadership. Answer is motivation. Number 74. The behavior that is driven by internal reward is option A, intrinsic motivation, option B, extrinsic motivation. Answer is intrinsic motivation. Question number 75. Coercion and threat of punishment includes option A, extrinsic motivation, option B, intrinsic motivation. Answer is extrinsic motivation. Question number 76. Hierarchy theory of motivation is given by option A, Abraham Maslow, option B, Francis Likert. Answer is Abraham Maslow. Question number 77. Lowest level of pyramid in Maslow theory of motivation includes option A, basic need, option B, complex needs. Answer is basic needs. Question number 78. Harvard's two-factor theory entails interview with option A, engineer and accountant, option B, engineer and doctor. Answer is engineers and accountants. Question number 79. According to Harvard's two-factor theory, opposite of satisfaction is option A, no satisfaction, option B, dissatisfaction. Answer is no satisfaction. Question number 80. Hygiene factor of two-factor theory includes option A, salary, option B, recognition. Answer is salary. Question number 81. Force equal to valence into expectancy. The applicable theory is option A, Broome's expectancy theory, option B, two-factor theory. Answer is Broome's expectancy theory. Question number 82. Two-factor theory is an extension of option A, Maslow's hierarchy theory, option B, Broome's expectancy model. Answer is Broome's expectancy model. Question number 83. Which of the following is not an internal motivational force? Option A, goals, option B, needs, option C, feedback, option D, attitude. Answer is feedback.
Question number 84. The capacity to influence a group of people towards the realization of a goal is option A, leadership, option B, motivation. Answer is leadership. Question number 85. Managerial grid theory are given by option A, Robert Black and Jane Mouton, option B, Francis Likert. Answer is Robert Black and Jane Mouton. Question number 86. Path goal theory is based on option A, Broome's expectancy theory, option B, Maslow's hierarchy theory. Answer is Broome's expectancy theory. Question number 87. The path goal theory was first published by option A, Martin Evans, option B, House. Answer is Martin Evans. Question number 88. The path goal theory specifies a leader's option A, style or behavior, option B, economic status. Answer is style or behavior. Question number 89. Situational leadership model was developed by option A, Fred and Fiedler, option B, Martin Evans. Answer is Fred and Fiedler. Question number 90. LPC stands for option A, least preferred co-worker, option B, low production curve. Answer is least preferred co-worker. Question number 91. Transactional leadership is a leadership style focused for option A, short term, option B, long term. Answer is short term. Question number 92. Transformational leadership focuses on option A, innovation, option B, planning and execution. Answer is innovation. Question number 93. Francis Likert found consultative and participatory leadership style as option A, high producing, option B, low producing. Answer is high producing. Question number 94. The thinking and outlook of a transformational leader is option A, developmental, option B, functional. Answer is developmental. Question number 95. Grapevine entails business communication through option A, informal channel, option B, formal channel. Answer is informal channel. Question number 96. There is an individual who tells the message to all other members in the network directly is option A, gossip chain network, option B, probability. Answer is gossip chain network. Question number 97. Effective communication presupposes option A, understanding, option B, domination. Answer is understanding. Question number 98. Measuring and correcting of activities of subordinates to assure that events conform to plan is option A, controlling, option B, directing. Answer is controlling. Question number 99. Liquidity ratios are calculated to know option A, short-term financial position, option B, long-term financial position. Answer is short-term financial position. Question number 100. Solvency ratios are calculated to know solvency of business for option A, long-term, option B, short-term. Answer is long-term. Question number 101. ROI stands for option A, return on investment, option B, return on interest. Answer is return on investment. Question number 102. Comparison of actual performance with planned performance is option A, budgeting control, option B, budgeting planning. Answer is budgeting control. Question number 103. EVA stands for option A, economic value added, option B, economic volume addition. Answer is economic value added.
Question number 104. PERT stands for Programmed Evaluation and Review Technique. Option A true, option B false. Answer is true. Question number 105. PERT is also called option A Time Event Network, option B Critical Path Method. Answer is Time Event Network. Question number 106. CPM concentrates on option A Critical Path Only, option B Whole Project. Answer is Critical Path Only. Last question of today's video. 107. Permanent reduction of a company's labor force by removing unproductive worker is option A downsizing, option B right sizing. Answer is downsizing. This video covers MCQ of Management Principle and Application for Mcom Entrance under Guwahati University. If you have benefit from the video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Axom, and the rest of the video will be available in our channel very soon. Thank you.